C. Camera B rolling, and go.
All right, time for us to make our second version of this drink. This is actually my favorite version of the drink.
Oh, so this is the best one.
This is by far the best one. And we're actually gonna shake this one and strain it in this special glass called a Whiskey Wedge. First, we need a pint glass. And could I trouble you for some sugar right there?
Sure, how much?
About a spoonful, maybe a teaspoon.
That good?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay.
Dump it right in. And instead of regular Angostura bitters, why don't we use some orange bitters? 2 dashes, please.
2.
Beautiful.
Okay.
And you know what? Let's grab the Angostura anyway. Do another 2.
Wow. Mixing it up.
Yeah, we're feeling frisky with this one.
Ooh, oh.
That's okay. There we
2.
go. Perfect.
Yeah.
Instead of scotch, we're going to do bourbon. This is one of my favorite bourbons. It's called Bullet.
Bullet.
And I'm just going to eyeball this. This is about 2.5 ounces.
How do you know?
Well, if you pay attention to these videos, you'll know exactly why. That's exactly where it is. But what do I know? We're going to see when we're done.
You're only the expert, right?
Right? Now we fill it up with some ice. A little more ought to do it. And we're going to take our Boston tin. This is called a Boston shaker. And if it works, it has a magic seal. You should be able to pick this up just from the tin. You want to give it a try?
It should work?
I think so.
All right.
Oh my God, look at
did.
that. That ain't bad,
No,
right?
it's good. It's on there.
Wow. All right. So I'm going to give it a shake. Make sure you don't look like an idiot when you're shaking, by the way.
You gotta look cool.
And to get it off, if you're having trouble getting it off, I won't have trouble getting it off. You just give it a little tap just like this, and it'll come right off. We're going to use every drop.
Okay.
And now we're going to use a Hearthstone strainer for this tin. And I'm just going to strain it right over this.
That's the perfect amount.
Not bad, right? I still got it?
Yeah, you still have it.
Now our garnish. I'm going to take an orange, and I'm just going to take the peel off of it, just like that. Take your orange, spray it on top, and rub the edge, just like that. And instead of these maraschino cherries that are made for 12-year-olds, they taste delicious, but let's use the adult version. These are Luxardo maraschino cherries.
Wow.
$20 for the can. It's worth every dollar.
Well, then it better be good, huh?
Right? It's definitely worth it.
Well, let's see if it is.
Let's see.
What do you think?
Oh, God, that's good.
Wow.
Why don't you have it?
Let's see, let's see. I won't lie to you.
Be
I don't
honest,
like it.
please. Not bad?
Oh, yeah. I
All
can see why
right.
this is your favorite one.
Oh,
honestly,
nailed
like,
it.
Perfect.
That's only my 5,000. Cheers, everybody.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Ready? Rolling. Camera D. Rolling. A. Rolling. C. Rolling. B. Rolling. Go.
All right, let's get started with our first version of the old fashioned. Helen, you're actually going to help me out with this one, all right?
Okay, great.
What if I told you the first version was actually made with gin instead of whiskey? Would you believe me?
I wouldn't believe it, no.
It's unbelievable. But I love gin. We're not going to use gin this time. We're going to use scotch. But before we get started, we're going to take this napkin, put it on top of our rocks glass that we're going to build this drink in.
Okay.
Could you reach me one of those sugar cubes and put it on top?
On top of it right here?
Yes.
Okay.
Thanks. And that bitters right there, the Angostura.
Here you
Thanks. You're going to drench this sugar cube with bitters, please.
How much? All of it?
As much as you could go till it's brown.
Okay.
Yeah, there we go. That's
Yeah.
good. Awesome. The reason we put that napkin there is so that it soaks up.